going, Evie?
On holiday?
Have you gone on holiday? Yeah. So we've just started our 4-hour drive to
Folkestone.
Folkestone. I said Dover last time, didn't I?
Yeah, well, it's
Same place then. To Folkestone to catch the Eurotunnel tomorrow morning. I bet you can even see me because it's so lovely. But yeah, we've got a 4-hour drive from our house to Folkestone. We're going to stay in the Premier Inn. Yeah, stay there overnight, and then tomorrow then we'll catch the Eurotunnel, and then we have another 3-hour drive. So it's going to be a long few days. Yeah.
We're going to Centre Parks, isn't we?
Yeah, we're going to nature villages, which is like little centre parks in Disney. Going for a week this time, and then we're hoping to actually go into Disney for the whole week if we can. Yeah, Evie, tell us then. Evie's doing some drawing in the back, a little drawing pad. Alfie's doing his stickers.
We got a bag full of trick-or-treating sweets.
Yeah, we put all our trick-or-treating sweets. Yeah, we're gonna drive as much as we can, probably stop and have some dinner, and we'll probably video when we get to the hotel. We've arrived. Huh?
Whoa!
Got our bag boy.
Number 9. Here we are. Might have a view for a car.
Whoa.
We need one more for Evie.
Evie's gonna sleep in the cot.
Do you know what?
So we've just arrived in the Premier Inn, just settling in. Alfie's playing a game of jumping across all the beds.
Nine.
I'm gonna unpack a little bit, get sorted, and probably head out for some dinner. Hi Evie,
Yeah.
got anything to say?
Hey.
Your hair?
Yeah.
Your hair looks lovely.
Daddy. Look.
Is that yummy, Evie?
Mama.
Pardon?
Oh yeah.
So just got back from food. Don't think I videoed everything. We did end up having some puddings. Me and the kids had some brownie, and Darren had a churro sundae. Yeah, we're all back now. All bathed. Well, Evie is at least.
I need to go somewhere.
We're all cuddled up in bed watching some cartoons like we did last time. But we're all super excited. You excited, Evie?
Dinner.
You had dinner? Was your dinner nice? Yeah, you excited to go to Disney tomorrow? Yeah? Yeah, we're all gonna get an early-ish night, and we'll probably video tomorrow either at breakfast or when we're on the Eurotunnel. So see you tomorrow. Bye.
Say bye, Al.
See you tomorrow.
I want to say some more things.
Come on quickly. Ain't nobody got time for that, buddy.
I've got
So we just come down for breakfast, and Alf's got everything on the menu. What have you got then?
apple.
Fruit, croissants, pancakes.
Mum?
Oh, you got bagel? Evie, what have you got? You got yogurt. Oh, wow.
Mummy.
Yummy. Looks delicious.
Mummy, look. Presents on the sofa.
Oh, it's decorated for Christmas in here, isn't it?
Yep.
Got
Christmas stuff.
the baubles. Is Daddy over there? Daddy! Oh, nice face, dude. Have you got any funny faces?
A fishy.
Got a funny face you can show me?
No.
No.
Should we see the earlier one? There's one.
hangar to hang out, and we managed to get on an earlier train. I figured, what time is it? 5 to or 10 to?
10 to. So half hour earlier, I think.
Half hour earlier.
Can I come in?
Yeah, I think we're just going to go have a little walk around the services, go to the toilets if we need to before we get on the train. Yes. You want dinner?
Yeah.
You just had breakfast, babe.
What is this?
We'll get a little snack on the train, okay?
Rubbish.
Yeah, we're going to have a little walk around the
Can I
services,
step on that
stretch the kids' legs, and go board the train then, I think. You excited, Alfs? Happy? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just have a bag of rubbish. Are you excited, Evie? Yeah? Let's go and have an explore, shall we?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, which one do you want to be? That Daddy's got to guess who we are. You want to be that one, do you? Okay. Ready?
Ready, steady.
No, we haven't got a hat off because this is who we are, remember? What do you want to ask us? So have you got brown hair or something?
Have you got a dog?
Not a dog, put all the dogs down then. That's not a dog, huh? There's a dog, but there as well.
Goodbye, dog.
Go on then. Are we a girl?
Yeah.
No, we're not.
No.
We're this one,
we're not.
remember?
No, we're
No.
not. Girl.
We've been called for boarding, so we're just driving there now. Hopefully it won't take us too long to get on the train. We'll just rushed around services, gone to the toilet, played some giant Guess Who, which was pretty cool because I wasn't there last time. So there's something for the kids to do. I remember last time thinking it was quite boring because there was nothing there for the kids. Whereas in the France one there's quite a lot of little games and things for the kids to play, so that was pretty cool. But yeah, we're just heading there now to board. I'll probably video a bit when we get on there. So we've just made it through passport control. Woohoo! Yeah, you have to actually go through 2 passport controls. You go through the British one and then the French one. Although I don't think the French one actually check who we are.
Look at us.
He didn't really look at us, he just stamped the passports. But yeah, the British one checked who we all were. Had to look in the back of the car and see the kids. But yeah, we're on our way now to the train. Hopefully we're not waiting too long to get on. Although we still have another half hour until the train actually sets off. So we'll probably be sat in the queue for a little while. But yeah, we're on our way.
Not too bad, the queue.
Excited, guys?
Yeah.
You excited, Evie? Yeah, you a bit tired, hey? Disney. Yeah, we're super excited.
That train is our train.
This one, yeah.
Ooh.
The Freaks train.
Oh, you're going up top.
We're going up top today.
I'll go up the top this time.
Well, we'll see. See where they tell us to go.
Going underneath the
Oh, that's
tunnel.
it.
We're moving. Evie went our way. Evie's got some bites on her cheek from last night, haven't you, Evie? Was you having a fight with a fly or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh god. We're on our way now. Train's moving. So we should be there in about half an hour.
Think she's having that fight with a mosquito.
A mosquito?
Yeah.
Here we go.
I feel like I saw that with you.
What?
And we're off the train. Goodbye.
Bye.
Continue straight.
Oh, sunny, isn't it?
Couldn't think it was middle of November.
Continue for 1 kilometre.
It is literally the middle of November and there's not even a cloud in the sky. So, what's the temperature? 16 degrees.
Hang on, Evie.
We've all packed loads of
No,
winter
it's not.
clothes, all like snowsuits for Evie and coats and jumpers. So I'm hoping we're not all going to be sweating.
16 degrees.
Maybe have to like cut some of our sleeves off or trousers. Cut the trouser legs off, it's going to be so hot. What's the matter, baby? What's the matter?
Do you want a snack?
Yeah.
I guess next day I'm going to get the kids snacks and then, yeah.
I don't want mine.
Video when we get there, is it?
Yeah, probably
I
video
don't
when we
want
get there.
mine.
Got a little,
Yeah, darling.
saying 3 hours and 60 minutes, but we are going to stop for some dinner at some point, so it's probably going to be more like close to 4 hours, which is fine because we can't check in until 4 anyway. You're going to get this little Evie.
Daddy! Daddy!
Do it in French. On deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six.
You climbing, Evie?
Ready? You go down?
Go. Whee! Just stopped at a service
That's alright, but I have to
for
leave
some
really
dinner, and it's no longer 16 degrees.
It's 4 degrees.
I don't know if you can see it, I was trying by the window. Can't see it. But it is 4 degrees and absolutely freezing. Kids are just playing on the park. Huh?
It's cold.
Trying to show you the breath because it's literally white breath coming out of our mouths, it's that cold. But yeah,
Green breath coming out
Green.
as well.
but yeah, it's absolutely freezing. What are you doing else?
Daddy!
This is it.
Daddy!
Yeah?
100 metres, turn right.
This is it! This is it, Daddy.
Yep. Oh, this is it. We're good. Look at you guys.
Yeah, we are!
So we've just checked in, we've got our vans, which I think we use for the lodge and swimming and just to get back in and out of the nature village. But yeah, we're just going to go park up now, and they said our lodge should be done a bit full, so we've got about half hour to look around, and then we're going to go into our lodge, have a look around and unpack. Yeah, don't think we're too far away from swimming, are we? Well, we're not really sure yet because on the map we're not, but it's a bit different when
It
you walk
probably is a
in.
bit of a walk.
Yeah, it looks really cool here. So we're gonna have a little walk around, do some videoing, some exploring for half hour. So yeah.
Was it? Go on then. What?
Oh, there's a bedroom for you guys. Bedroom number 1, guys. Oh, proper cotton here as well. What do you think, guys?
Is this your bedroom out?
Dad, come and see in here. Dad, come and see in here.
Come on then. There's 2 cots in here.
Was it?
2 cots in here. One bathroom. Whoa, see the size in the shower? See the size on it? I mean, it's not like ginormous, but it's like very good, isn't it?
Yep.
Ah.
Wow, see the bathroom through the other one. This is Alfie's and Evie's.
Yeah, you got a bathtub this time. That's good. It's handy, guys.
Get in here.
I'm gonna see what's down here. Wow. Look at these mushroom chairs.
Yeah.
Overall, right?
Cool in here, isn't it?
You see?
I've got an oven. Is that an oven?
Yeah. There's nothing in that.
I think so.
Well, it's like a big microwave.
That's cool, isn't it? Should we see our outside space? Whoa, got lounges and everything, guys. Do you think, guys?
Oh, I got
Ooh, maybe.
The blinker.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Cool, isn't it, guys?
Yeah.
So we're all settled in and unpacked. We've just had dinner.
Can I say hello? Hello! We're going to the booth. Going to
Now
the
we're
booth.
heading out
Aqualagoon.
to have a look around and go swimming. We haven't actually seen anything yet apart from where we're staying in our little lodge thing. Yes, we're going to go have a little look around. It's pitch black outside now, so hopefully we should see all the lights and things they got going on, if they've got anything going on. I'm pretty sure they got it decorated, haven't they?
I'm not sure, to be honest.
Yeah, we're not 100% sure. There's nothing online that says anything, but I did see that they did have an ice rink, so I'm assuming there's probably going to be something going on around here. Yeah, we're going to go out there and do some exploring.
I knew that. That's why Daddy told me. Oh my god, look out for that.
Dark, isn't it? Don't know what time it is, do you?
Sorry.
6 o'clock my time.
We've just got back from swimming. We also had a little walk around to see what sort of things they had going on.
Got some milk.
We bought some milk from the shop. Yeah.
Irina.
While we were in the pool, we went outside. We videoed loads inside and outside. While we were outside, Darren lost his GoPro, so we've lost everything that we videoed in the pool, and he also lost his wristband, which is what gets you into the cottage and into your locker at the swimming. Luckily we were able to get someone to open it, but I wasn't really sure if we were gonna, because I don't think they really understood what we were saying to start with, but luckily we got that sorted.
I bet that was the boss.
The boss.
Probably, yeah. And we're gonna go back tomorrow to see if anyone's handed it in, but I can't really see it, so yeah, we're a bit gutted about that we've lost all the footage for that. We're now back and we're going to put the kids to bed, have a little chill, so we can get up early in the morning and go to Disney. Have a nice time in swimming, Offs.
Yeah.
He's busy counting his chocolates.
Mine.
Yeah, well, pardon? You? Did you have a nice time in swimming, Evie?
Yeah.
Yeah, what did you do in swimming then?
No.
Stressed like Bruce
Oh,
Willis,
yeah.
isn't
Bruce Willis.
she? Bruce Willis and Diana.
Alright then, say goodnight.
Night.
Night night.
Night. Good night.
Television.